Hi everyone, Aarti is here. Today I have brought you some tips and trick for you so that you can be fluent in English without hesitations. Have you ever got stuck in front of anyone when you were speaking? Yes, friend, everyone get stuck, everyone get hesitations. So don't feel so bad about yourself because this is a just language. Language is a language, it is a medium, so don't feel embarrassed when you speak. Even we get stuck in Hindi as well, so why we are expecting too much about English? So but one thing is that what happens when we speak English, when we speak any language, we try to speak English at the fast speed. We feels that speaking English at the fast speed is a fluency. No, this is not a fluency at all. It is a kind of we don't want to show our language. Don't throw your words to anyone. Just keep your language calm and cool and think before speaking. Yes friends, organize your words before verbalize so that you can have some concept of what you want to say. Okay, your audience should be comfortable with you, like, and along with it try to give the example so that everyone can understand easily, because example is the fine example to convey your message easily, because by words we cannot explain everything in the easy manner. So what we can do, we just put some story, some examples, some any kind of things you can put in it, so that the one someone can understand your language easily. Next thing is that slow down your language, slow down your speed, slow down your speech. What happens, our brain needs some break, our brain needs some time to think. But what we do, we just speak English very fastly, we speak English very quickly. But no, this is not a fine way to speak English. What we can do, just slow down your language, just think, be calm and cool when you speak English, and try to convey your message in the very positive manner, in the very calm manner, so that the one who is listening you, who should be very comfortable, who should be very interested in you. Okay, so and next thing is that don't throw the high words, like don't throw the difficult words on them. Your language should be simple or sober. Yes friends, what we think, we use very high words, sugar coating words. So don't throw these kind of words on them. Words should be very kind of sober or understandable, so that the one can, who is listening to you, he or she should understand your words easily. Okay, you can use your words in the advanced manner, but use simple when you talk to anyone. Okay, bye.